Hungry, What are we gonna eat?
Mama is just there.
Oh, nice. But hold on. Funny story. I think I forgot my wallet.
Let me check mine, okay? I got 1 ringgit.
That's not enough. That is not enough. Ah, boy.
Guys, you guys are using WeChat Pay, right?
Oh, wait, I am. Wait.
Please tell me you do.
Oh yeah, and I still got money inside. Why ah?
Nice.
Yeah, you guys can use the new smart order feature with your WeChat Pay. No cash needed.
You have money?
Yeah, I got.
Let's go. Okay, so we are here, but how do we do it?
Okay, so according to this, right, you just have to scan the QR code with a WeChat QR scanner. So let's scan this. Okay. Oh, look, the menu is all here.
So canggih.
Look, there's the menu, and there's like different food. So we just have to select our food. Select what do you want to
I
eat.
think I know what I want now.
Okay, what you want to eat? This one. And then I want fried rice with salted egg. Where is it? My salted egg fried rice is gone. Let me find. I'm serious. Where did it go?
Oh, it's in the other side.
It's in the a la carte. I'm gonna order fried rice with salted egg. They're all 5 ice. Alright. Confirm and pay. So right, we order beef fried rice with salted fish, and teh o 5 ice. Okay? It's 28.75. Confirm your order. Yeah. Pay now. Pay now.
Yes.
Pay now. Oh my god, they asked me to pay now 1,000,000 times.
Where it went from?
Oh yeah, they got the 3 baht off. Because you have to spend minimum 8 ringgit, then they'll give you 3 baht off. And it only lasts for this whole month.
For the end of this month, and you can only do it 4 times?
4 times,
You
yeah.
only get 4 discounts.
So now it's 25! Jimat! Done. Okay, our order is done.
Now we wait.
For food.
A few moments later.
So our food is here in less than 10 minutes. So,
Jom makan.
yes, makan.
Oh, full.
Very full.
Yeah. Thank God nowadays we have cashless payments, right? Oh, look at the time. Maybe it's time to go back to office?
Seriously? No.